Hi there! After learning how to research and choose the right keywords in our previous video, today we'll show you in which key places on your website you should include your keywords to optimize your SEO results. Search engines scan websites for keywords that match their users' queries. If your website includes those keywords in specific places, search engines are more likely to consider it a relevant and useful resource, and therefore rank it higher in their search results. Let's start with the meta title and description. They are stored in the source code of your web pages and are not directly visible on your website. However, they are visible to search engines to provide them with information about your content to classify it. Furthermore, they're visible on the search engine result pages for users when they perform a search query. The meta title is the blue title displayed on the search engine result pages. It should be a unique, catchy title that includes your primary keywords. The meta description is the short summary of the page and appears under the meta title. Use it to provide a brief, compelling summary of your page content and include relevant keywords here too. Let's continue with the content visible on your web pages. The main content of your pages is called body text. To make your body text more interesting, it should contain relevant keywords. Therefore, you should insert them throughout the main text of your page and write a well-structured piece of information that sounds natural. While writing the content for your web pages, you should use headings to structure your text. Headings are like titles and subtitles, making your text more readable for search engines and users and putting more emphasis on your important keywords. Once you have created and optimized your content, you can link different pages via internal links. Use internal links to link a keyword to other relevant pages on your website. This way, you can push visitors to explore your website while extending their session duration. Furthermore, you should include relevant keywords in your URL. Use a keyword in the URL of your pages that best describes its content. This will make your website easier to navigate for both your visitors and search engines. Lastly, search engines can't read images, so they rely on alt text to understand what an image is about. You should therefore include relevant keywords in the alt texts of all your images to help search engines understand their context. Google can also use the alt text to show your images in the search results of Google Images. In summary, including keywords in key places on your website is important because it helps search engines understand the content of your site and makes it more user-friendly, which can lead to higher search engine rankings and increased user engagement. Do you need help including your keywords in the mentioned key places? Sign up to our rankingCoach 360 application to get access to video tutorials tailored to all major CMS, guiding you step by step through your optimization plan. And if you want to get more valuable information about digital marketing topics and rankingCoach, subscribe to our channel.